Simple English sentences about social media. I use social media every day. Do you have a YouTube account? He posts photos of his dog. I use social media every day. We don't follow celebrities. Does she use Instagram often? They watch videos on YouTube. I don't post many stories. Does he check his message daily? My friends send me funny memes. I never comment on posts. Does your brother use Snap? He always likes my pictures. I don't have a Twitter account. Do they chat on WhatsApp? He uploads videos every day. We don't spend much time online. Do you follow new pages? She shares everything on social media. I didn't post everything today.